Hey guys, welcome to my suit review video, and I'm going to be reviewing lots of different cosplay products from lots of different retailers, but I review a lot of suits from Zentai Zone. I really like the suits they print. I think they do a great job on the stitching and they have really good communication, which is important to me. If you want to order a suit from Zentai Zone, be sure to use my discount code NINJA-. Okay, let's get into it. If you order this suit from Zentai Zone, or any suit, it'll come in a Zentai Zone bag with a business card indicating the worker that produced it. So if you like that work, you can ask for that same worker to produce your suits in the future. Alright, basically, what comes in the bag is this suit. The digital file for this suit pattern is not available on Zentai Zone's website. I really like the look of this pattern, so I bought it from Crazyfranky. He's the maker of the digital pattern. But then I had Zentai Zone print it because I love the work they do. I got this suit as all one piece, meaning the gloves, the mask, the socks are all attached. And I cut my own eye holes in it, which I highly suggest you do. Sometimes if you ask for eye holes, there'll be a seam area around it, making it harder for you to widen the eye holes as you need. And I paired this suit with my Todd McFarlane style face shell and lenses by John Donaldson. I really love this suit. I get great reactions to it when I wear it around in cons. Having said that, there's one issue I do have with this pattern. When I've taken photos with this suit with photographers, we used remote flashes and we found that the light didn't take to the suit quite as well as I'd like, and that's because of some of the blue and white features indicating the musculature on the Spidey suit. Having said that, if you're a fan of the classic symbiote from the comic book series, this is a really cool suit, and I was really attracted to it because it has such an authentic look. When you actually compare it to the look of the suit in the comic books, it really holds up. A lot of the comic book art uses this tone of blue to indicate the muscles and lines on Spider-Man's body. So it is a really awesome suit, but it may not be the best for photography if you're using remote flashes or studio strobe lights. I still got some pretty good pictures with it, so I do recommend this suit. I got this suit with a back zipper instead of a U-zipper, but you know, U-zippers are pretty good when you're ordering all one piece, so if I ever get this suit again, I'll definitely go for a U-zipper. And I ordered it on Zentai Zone's upgraded Lycra spandex fabric. Lycra spandex has a tendency to release these little tiny white fibers which can come out of your suit over time, especially if the suit is catching on stuff like concrete. If you choose the upgraded Lycra spandex fabric, it will be much more resilient and hold up much better over time, so I definitely recommend going for that option. And the reason I chose not to have removable gloves and removable mask on this suit is because the symbiote suit is all one piece. It's an alien costume, so I like to have that seamless look all over the suit. Really happy with this suit. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments bar below. Recently I wore the suit to a convention in Guangzhou, China, and I had a lot of great reactions and a lot of fun with my fellow cosplayers. Thanks for watching my video. Be sure to subscribe and check out my other nerdy videos. I'm here in China now, so I'm going to be reviewing lots of different Zentai suits and cosplay products, because this is usually where they come from. But be sure to subscribe and check out my other nerdy videos. Thanks for watching. Cheers.